In oral motor, the sucking, swallowing and breathing pattern is much more refined now. Frequency of liquid intake is much more than earlier. Hi, I'm Dr. Gaganpreet Gill, a pediatric physiotherapist. And if this helped you, you can get much more help by subscribing to my channel to know about milestones and much more. To start bringing the upper lip down, cleaning with the lower lip, bringing the tongue out, and along with it the lower lip goes up. It all helps in the spoon feeding to become more smoother, and cleaning the spoon becomes more smoother. They still use the sucking and the suckling motion of the tongue to take the food down or swallow the food like this. The bite on the food is now controlled and sustained. They can bite on anything which is harder. The food in the jaws is more of all kind of movements, up and down, sideways, rotation also. All these come into play for chewing the food. So if anyone tells you they cannot chew at this age, just tell them this. The drooling also becomes much lesser because they have more control on their oral structures. So even when they are crawling, walking, the drooling would be lesser as it was earlier when learning the new skill, but you still might see it. They speak their first relevant word around 12 months. Before that, it's more of an irrelevant words, babbling, baba, dada. But though some children might start speaking a little early also, you might find speaking them relevantly a little earlier. Relevant basically means when they are calling mama, mama and not everything mama, or when they are saying bye bye to bye bye. Even sounds like oh when they are falling, but saying it relevantly only to falling is also counted as a word. Or saying bhau bhau, when how the dog barks, bhau bhau. So bhau bhau is also a word, but only when used for dog barking. So before this, they were mostly the abdominal breather, but gradually the thoracic expansion has started happening when they are crying and these muscles are active. It's because the obliques and all those postural muscles have become stronger, so the thoracic expansion is better. So all this helps the diaphragm in moving more and improving the method of respiration or going towards the adult way of respiration or breathing. So the equilibrium reactions which they have to maintain in sitting is almost achieved by this age. The standing, kneeling, all these are still they are achieving. The protective reactions in sitting for backward falling also have come, so they are able to protect themselves so that their head doesn't get hurt. But this would happen if we would let them fall. That's when the equilibrium and protective reactions are going to fire in and they are going to help themselves and learn how not to fall. Even the spinal curve is progressing and becoming more efficient alignment, but it reaches that S curve when they start standing, and more towards as they start walking, the more efficient alignment of that S curves keep on developing. The postural activity before this was more of up, and now it's a lot down also in the lower limbs also, because they are moving the lower limb, they are using the lower limbs a lot. Please do not forget to subscribe and share. I hope this helps. Bye.